morning everybody, me and Fred are back with a new sound for us to learn today. Now before we learn our new sound, I want to see if you can remember what we did yesterday. Yesterday we looked at the A sound, A. Remember we saw this picture and it says, may I play? Now then today, just before we learn our new sound, I want to see if you can read some of the green words that we did yesterday. Now this is going to be slightly different because when you read the word, you're going to see if you can find the special friend and then you're going to Fred in your head. So instead of saying your sounds out loud, you're going to do it in your head. And when I push the green word forwards, that's when you're going to read it. Are we ready? Okay. Special friends. A, well done. Fred, talk in your head. Way, well done. Way. Let's try another one. Special friends. A, well done. Fred, talk in your head. Play, well done. P-L-A, play. Last one. What's our special friends? A, well done. Fred, talk in your head. Brilliant. That's a longer word, isn't it? Ready? S-P-R-A, spray. Super job. Okay, now then, on to our new sound. Our new sound today, this is the picture phrase for it. This is what it looks like. It's a picture of some children on a tree. They're up a tree. And this little boy, he's got some binoculars and he's having a look out. This little boy has got a question. He's saying, what can you see? He's wondering what that little boy is watching through his binoculars. When we see this side, we're going to say, what can you see? What can you see? What can you see? Brilliant. Okay, when we see this side, we're going to say the sound. The sound is E. 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 Well done. 2 letters making one sound. They are special friends. When we see these 2 letters written together, they make the E sound. Okay, let's play our game. When you see this side, you're going to say E. When you see this side, you're going to say, what can you see? Ready? Let's hide it behind my back. Well done. What can you see? E. E. What can you see? E. E. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. Now then, Fred is going to Fred talk some words to me. I'm going to Fred talk them to you. And I want you to see if you can put them together, all those sounds together, to make a word. Are we ready? Okay, Fred, what's your first word going to be? S-E. 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 What's my word? C. It is C. Well done. Okay, next one, Fred. B-E-N. Oh, that's a longer one, Fred. B-E-N. 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 What's my word, year 1? Bean. Super job. One more, please, Fred. E-O. Ooh. E-O. 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 What's my word? Feel. Feel. Well done, everybody. Super job. Now then, I'm going to pop our new words up here. Our new sounds, up here. And we're going to get our green words. Here are our green words for today. Now, when we see our green words, we're going to find our special friend, E. we're going to Fred talk, out loud this time, and we're going to read the word. Are we ready? Fred's here, wait, watching. Okay, first word. Special friends. E, well done. Fred talk. S, E. Read the word. C. Super. Let's try this one. Special friends. E, well done. Fred talk. B, E, N. Bean. Well done. Getting slightly longer now, year one. Ready? Special friends. E, well done. Fred talk. G, E, N. Green. Well done. Last one. Special friends. E, well done. Let's Fred talk together. S, E, P. Sleep. Sleep. Well done. Okay, now that you know our sound is E, I've hidden it in our pack of cards. And we're going to read them, each of the sounds. But when you see E, I want you to point and say really loudly, E. Can you do that for me? Can you have a practice? E. Well done. Okay, we're going to go slowly first of all, and then we're going to go once more a little bit quicker. Ready? J. E, well done. Ch. B. Well done. Okay, I'm going to shuffle my cards up and we're going to go a little bit faster this time. Ready? B. E. J. Ch. B. Well done. Shuffle them one more time. Fastest now. Fastest time to do this. Ready? Let's go. J. B. E. Ch. Well done. Okay. Last little part now before we do our writing. It's time to do our alien words. Okay, Fred. Okay, everybody. So we have got 3 alien words today. We are going to find our special friends. We are going to Fred talk the word. And we are going to read it. Are we ready? Let's begin. Special friends. E, well done. Fred talk. S-k-l-E. Sklee. Well done. Tricky one, that one. What about this one? Special friends. Fred talk. T-e-k. Treek. Well done. Special friends. E, well done. Fred talk. F-l-e-p. Fleep. Well done. Okay, this is the part of our lesson where you will need to have some paper and a pen because we're going to do some Fred spelling using our fingers and then we're going to write it onto our board. Are we ready? Now the first word that we're going to Fred is the word seen. Can you say seen? Seen. Seen. Ready? On your fingers, how many sounds do you think are in seen? Ready? Show me. There are 3. Pinch them. Ready? S, E, N. Seen. Once more. S, E, N. Seen. Well done. Pause the video. Have a little go at writing seen. Make sure you underline your special friends. Okay, so seen is spelled S, E, N. Let's put our special friends line on there. E, S, E, N. Brilliant. Okay, let's try another one. This time, can we spell sleep, sleep, sleep. How many sounds do you think are in sleep? Hide your fingers. Sleep. Ready? Show me. There are 4. Ready? S, E, P. S, E, P. Sleep. One more time. S, E, P. Sleep. Let's have a go at writing it down. Pause the video and have a little go. Okay. S, E, P. Sleep. Remember to underline those special friends. Sleep. And remember, if it looks like mine, you can give yourself a little tick. Okay, very last one. Going to try and trick you. Are we ready? 3. 3. How many sounds are there in 3? Ready? Show me how many sounds are there in 3? There are 3 sounds in 3. Ready? E. 3. That first sound is a special friend, isn't it? It's th. Ready? E. 3. Have a little go at writing it down. Pause the video and write it onto your page. Okay, we ready? It's our special friend, E. E. And there are 2 special friends in that word, 3. Okay, let's do one last one. Can you do on your fed fingers? Green, green, green on your fingers. Green, green. Ready? Show me. Yeah. There are 4. Pinch them. G, E, N. One more time. G, E, N. Green. Well done. Pause the video and have a little go at writing green. We ready, everybody? I'm going to write it over here so you can still see. G, E, N. Green. Remember to underline those special friends. And if you've done it like me, you can give yourself a little tick. Well done. Okay guys, that's the end of our phonics lesson today, but make sure you have a little look at your sheet that's on Teams for you to have a little go at to make sure that you know your E sound. Bye everybody!